Hey everybody, welcome back to another Meeple Peak board game video. Today we're doing the unboxing for Raising Robots, the Deluxe Edition. Just got this off of Kickstarter thanks to my friend Jason. Thanks Jason. It is for 1 to 6 players, 14 and up, 75-minute playtime. Seems a little unlikely, at least for the first couple of games. From Nauvoo Games. Looks really neat, nice shiny box. Lots of colorful parts. All kinds of upgrade tokens. Lots of cards. Simultaneously choose phases to perform each round however your choices affect the other inventors. Has small parts in it. Okay, let's open it up. And just to let you know, I have my brother-in-law Tim with me today. He's sitting over on the other side. There's his hand. Welcome, Tim.
Well, thank you. It's exciting to be here.
Okay, let's see what's in this box. It's heavy. There's a Rubik's Cube cat. Looks interesting. Cool, right off the bat. Nice, heavy, wow, thick instructions. How to play video with QR code. Nice. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Very colorful. Looks like a kid's coloring book. My favorite thing. Good list of components. What do you think? It's pretty nice.
It is exciting. I'm excited to see what else is in the box.
Good setup photo. Looks like it's got some good inventor explanations too, which is neat. But yeah, the rule book looks nice, if I can say it. It is really thick. I'm wondering why. It does look like it's all rules too. No like scenarios or anything. Class objectives. Okay. Class objectives, inventor cards, solo. I mean, it is quite the thick rule book. Oh, there we go. Commonly missed rules, common questions. Can't read today. Summary. That's nice. Okay, let's see what else is in here. We have 2 inventor explanations. That's interesting. For a 6-player game, they only give you 2 references. Huh, okay. We have... What the heck is this? Oh, it must be like a mini expansion. Icon index, pet robot examples, changes to setup. Yeah, so there's a miniature expansion in here too. More inventor. Wow, there's a lot of bags in here. Good grief. Some giant yellow cubes. Those are crazy. Some silica packets. Tokens. Lots of card sleeves. Huh. I don't remember that in the Kickstarter. I guess I didn't pay much attention. Score pad, more silica packets. Cards. Some more cards. Lots of tokens. So if anybody's ever been to one of my board game conventions, you know where these token punch boards are going to go. Into my gigantic pile. Wow, there's a lot of tokens. Good grief. What is this? A symbol design upgrade. That must be the main player board. Wow, okay. And more. Lots of boards. What do we have? So let's dig up the rules here. What are these?
DF6.
Looks like there might be, yeah. Yep, so these are the player boards. And that little tiny one, this guy, is called the central board. Exciting. Okay. And then, yeah, these are all the player boards. I don't see any differentiation between colors for different player colors. They're all pink, brown, green, orange, purple, but nothing to differentiate players. Huh. Okay. Well, I guess that's fine. Let's see, how many is that? That's 4, 5, 6, yeah. I wonder if one of these must be still used for the solo mode. Brad, the game has a solo mode for you, Brad. You have to check it out. Okay, let's take a look at some of the tokens. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of cardboard. More silica. All your little inventor tokens. Take a look at that. Little guy. All the different player colors. Looks like some sort of a robot. Crazy. What else we have? There's tons. More silica. More bags. These are cool, huh? They're really well done. The silk screening or the screen printing is, whatever it's called, is really nice on them. Nice and clear. They're tiny. Tiny little pieces. All kinds of stuff. Let's see what those are. Maybe we can find a couple. Gear, program, a sensor, batteries, duct tape, nice. And these pink stars are victory points, little ones and big ones. Cool. Those are nice tokens. More silica. And these are upgraded. 120 upgrade tokens, 30 of each. Little pigs. Artist palette. Timers. Looks like texting symbol. Nice. Those are cool. Good printing, huh? Look nice. What do you think?
This stuff is very nice, yeah.
Production quality is nice and high with this, so it's good. Looks like it could use some sort of a box organizer, though, because, man... Oh, no, I can see, though. Okay, so these are upgraded components, and it looks like they replace these, all the cardboard. So all this stuff won't be needed. That's nice. So most of this is wasted. You need these boards, and that's about it. Okay. Yeah, so there you go. Raising Robots. Fun looking little game. Tons of tokens, lots of wood. Oh yeah, I forgot the cards. Thanks, Tim.
You can't open it, but...
Here you go. This one open first and see what this is. Look at the rule book. Okay, lightning bolts. 72 energy cards in 6 different sets. Must be different colors, different players. Yeah, red, yellow, green, blue, orange, and purple. Yep. And then, not sure what these are for. but I will find out when I go through the rules. Oh, these are phase cards. Okay, so there's 30 phase cards. There's 72 energy cards. These phase cards look pretty cool. Upgrades, assemble, design, fabricate, and recycle. What do you have over there?
I have what appears to be the robots, and there are a lot of them.
Ooh, those pictures are cool. Good artwork. Yep, 96. There's 96
Okay.
different robot cards.
And I would believe it.
Wow, there's a lot. Nice. What do I do with my knife? Oh, there you go. Thank you. Those are cool. Sorry. Yep, I have no idea what any of this symbology means just yet, but it looks neat.
There is a lot of detail to each card. Maybe you want to put that on.
Oh yeah, there we go. Here's a couple. I gotta move that logo. There we go. Those look really cool. The artwork is nice. And then it looks like these are inventor cards. Maybe there's some more robots in here too. Man, they are well sealed, or my knife is really dull. Yep, a whole bunch more robots. Check out that chameleon. The xylophone. Etch a sketch with a speak and spell.
The hazmat guy is pretty.
That's pretty
funny,
cool.
too.
Let me get these out of the way. I forgot. So we got a hazmat robot. We have an etch a sketch attached to a speak and spell. And then this is awesome. Here's a sloth with a telephone head. Here's a xylophone chameleon robot. Oh, doesn't like the green background too much on that one. Pig with a toaster for a head and a keg for a body. A koala with a scale face. A goat that has a toaster or a waffle iron for a head. These are cool. Kind of want to build some of these for real.
Yeah, I think we're almost there.
Okay, and
And
let's
this
look.
is a different kind of card too.
Looks like there's even more robots on there. I see robots
Some
symbol
are
on the back.
robots. So
Here's some inventors. Looks like there's 6 different inventor cards.
yes, more robots.
Oh, nice. Steve Irwin. Crocodile Hunter Kid. Very cool. More robots. Oh, more inventors. Cool. So there's not just the 6. How many are there? 14. Good. That adds some variation to the game. Keeps it fresh. Okay, that guy's cool. Check this one out. It's a boogie robot. Hockey robot. There you go, Matt. Matt and Brian. There's your hockey robot. A robot for opening your jam. A robot for serving your cereal. Dicing onions. All kinds of robots. So lots of good variation in the game. Doesn't look like you'll have the same game twice. Like an Albert Einstein kid. There's your Nikola Tesla kid. Very cool, Stephen. Yo-Yo Ma. Neat. And what are these? 32 class cards. Oh. Aerospace engineering? sanitary engineering, microbiology algorithms. My phone that I forgot to put on mute. Cool. These look like they're probably some sort of bonuses that you get throughout the game for having so many different, like, batteries. You get that many victory points. So all kinds of things you can do to earn victory points. Yeah, there's all kinds of different symbols on here. Is that it? Did I miss anything this time? Doesn't look like it. There's a lot of stuff in the box. This looks... Oh, and I forgot. There's big yellow cubes. Gigantic yellow cubes. Right on. Looks like I have a lot of sleeving to do. Those are good sleeves too. They feel thick. They're not those penny sleeves. Which there's nothing wrong with penny sleeves, but yeah, these are definitely, they're thicker. Lots of them. Score pads are double-sided. That's nice. Reuse them. Okay, there you go. That is the end of the unboxing video. Please like and subscribe. Leave me any comments or questions down in the comments section. I like to hear from everybody. And until next time, we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.